Hi.
Hi ma'am. I'm SR104, 20 years old. I am high school graduate. I have three brothers. I am the youngest among the family, and I have two children, 8 years old and 2 years old.
Have you worked abroad before?
No ma'am, but I have experience here in the Philippines for almost 2 years as a housemaid.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My duty is to take care of my employers' children like they are my own child, and I will attend to their needs, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing dishes, car washing, and taking care of my employees' feet if needed.
Tell me more about your cooking experience.
I can cook simple dishes like adobo, caldereta, fried chicken, fried fish, steamed egg, but I'm willing to learn Chinese cooking.
Do you have any day off?
Yes, ma'am, at least once a week.
Can you speak Cantonese or Mandarin?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm willing to share room with your children if needed.
What can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, I promise to take care of the house and your children. I will be at my best at all times, and I will promise finish my 2 years contract.
Can you give your best smile to your future employer?